Hello and welcome to my channel. This week I thought I'd make a video all about entertaining a baby without using any toys. So as they're getting older, they're becoming more interested in the things that we're using day to day and less in the toys that are purpose-built for a baby. So I thought I'd show you some of the DIY projects that I've made using things from around the house, and also some of the things that I give him from around the house that are safe for babies to use that entertain him. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So first up is no mess painting. This one is great for tummy time, and it also supports fine motor skills as your baby will be using their hands and fingers to move the paint around. So you just need a piece of paper, cut it to size to fit your Ziploc bag, and then write your child's name on it and their age if you want to keep it. And then all you need to do is pop the paper in the bag and get some paints and either squeeze them in if they're squeezy paints, or like I'm doing here, use a spoon or paintbrush to just put blobs of paint into your Ziploc bag. Any colours will do, and then pop it on the floor with your baby and they can squish with their hands or feet. So next up is a metallic sheet, and Oscar's favourite. I got mine from Daiso, but you can also get foil blankets off Amazon really cheap. You just need a metallic fabric or sheet that doesn't rip or tear and isn't sharp in any way. And this really supports their auditory learning and their understanding of cause and effect as they hear noise and see where it comes from. And Oscar absolutely loves it. This next one is great for supporting problem-solving skills. Basically, your child will have two things in their hands and you're going to offer them a third thing. It doesn't have to be a toy, it can be anything. And it's great to see their brains working as to whether they're going to take what you offer them and which hand to let go of. And it's really fun and interesting as a mum to watch this one. Pulling pipe cleaners is a really great activity for developing your child's pincer grip. So you just add some pipe cleaners to a basket or a colander and then allow them to use their hands to pull them out. Water play is a great one for developing a whole range of sensory skills. You could do it in the bath or in a bucket outside, and depending on what you put in, and bubbles, let your baby investigate the objects and splash around and generally have a great time. DIY drums is a great one for supporting auditory learning and can be made with anything from around the house. I've used an old formula tin and containers with pasta in, but you can use pots and pans and spoons and whatever you really like. Sensory bags are so much fun and only require a little bit of effort. You just need a Ziploc bag, definitely reinforce the edges with some tape just to be safe, and then add in sequins and glitter and anything that you like, just nothing too sharp that's going to pierce the plastic. Once you've added in all your bits and pieces that you want that are going to make it interesting for your baby to watch, then just add in some coloured water, just colour it with food dye, and then make sure that you seal it really well, getting out all the air that you can, and again reinforce the seal with more tape. When you're finished with that, pop it on the floor for your baby. You can always tape it to the floor as well so it doesn't move. And then this really supports their visual tracking and actually improves their attention span. Number 8 is the ribbon basket, and this is another one that's great for fine motor skills and developing the pincer grip. You just need a load of ribbons through a basket and allow your child to pull them out. And it's really fun to see them understanding if they pull that they eventually can pull one out completely. Peekaboo is a classic and can be done anywhere around the house or when you're out and about. It is great for developing object permanence, which is your child understanding that although an object can't be seen, that it can still exist. So you can do this with hiding toys as well as hiding yourself or your baby. And finally, number 10 is sensory bottles. This is a lovely activity for developing your baby's visual tracking and also getting that awe and wonder reaction from them. There's lots of fancy ways to make these online, but water and glitter is all you need. You can add sequins and pipe cleaners like I have and shake it about, and your baby will be absolutely enthralled. thank you for watching this week's video. I hope you've got some ideas. I'd really love to hear anything that you're doing with your babies that involve no toys. So please write them in the comments below so that we can try some of those out as well. And we'll see you next week. Bye.